What is up guys, it is Sergio here with Takeover Clock. Today I am taking a look at this cool RGB lighting strip that I got from Amazon. This RGB lighting kit is supposed to go mounted behind your TV, or actually attached behind your TV or your monitor screens to give that beautiful look. Well, opening the bag we can see the strip coming out. We also got the manual and we got the barcode to download the app from iOS or Android devices. The length of the lighting strip is 6.5 feet and it's USB 5-volt power. The in-depth details and specifications of the strip is gonna be down below in the description. I must say, I love the fact of the Bluetooth technology with a simple RGB strip, and only for $12.99 at the time of making this video. And to be honest, I was expecting a laggy and lame application, but I gotta tell you, the app is so responsive, it's not laggy, and it looks and it feels professional. It doesn't feel like a cheesy app, let's put it that way. It has a lot of effects built in. I will highlight my favorite ones. The light strip changes when you speak to it. Also has the option for the music. It will ask you if you want the app to find your music on your phone. I think that is pretty neat if you ask me. So if you want to have friends over and whatnot, you can just play your music and it will bounce or switch colors according to the music. It also has some preset mode effects. Long story short, it's a great app and easy to use. The reason why I got this lighting strip is for my second desk setup. Okay, final thoughts. Is this product worth your money? Well, I believe so. I think it's a bang for the money. Great app, simple to use, awesome, and a lot of color combinations. Alright guys, this was your host, Sergio with Takeover Clock, reviewing more Amazon products like I always do. It's just fun for me. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.